Hello everyone. So today we are going to know the difference between call by value and call by reference. So for that we have taken two programs. On the left one we have taken the program for call by value, and on the right one we have taken the program for call by reference, which is in the red color. So now first of all let's see that how we have written this program. In this program we have taken a function. Now why I have taken this function down after declaring this hashtag including the header file, because then we didn't need to write its definition again. Okay, we can only write it once and then we can access it in our main program. So what we have done here, we have taken void m1 and we have taken a parametric value int a, and then we have applied multiplication here, arithmetic operation we have done, and we have again stored the value of it in the a variable, and then we have printed. Okay, and then in the main method we have declared a local variable of int a type, and we have assigned its value 3. Then we have print this value, and then we called this m1 function. We have called this m1 function in this program, and again we have print the value of a. So now when we run this program, then we will get an output like 3, then 9, then 3. Why? Because first of all the main function will execute, and line by line it will take the value a equal to 3, and then it will print the value of a, and 3 will be printed. Then the function will go to m1. In m1 function, it will again get a as a variable. But there is a basic difference between a in the parametric value and a in the main function, because these both are different variables. If we, it means like a is somewhat another variable for the function, and this a is another variable for the function. So what will take here place here? This a value, the function will take this a value and it will place this a value here. Okay, so the 3 value will be copied. Okay, both a are independent. The m1 a is independent of the main function a, and both will have different values. Like it will have its garbage value, but when we will call this function, then it will assign 3 here, it will copy 3 here. And what will take place, that a into a, it means 3 into 3 will be performed, and then it will print the value of a. Now what the a value has become, it has become 3, right? But when we print it again in the main function, the output we will get is 3, not 9. Why? Because when we copy the value, it is like in this m1, it isn't written int a, it is written like some other variable, we can say int p. Now we have assigned p equal to 3. Okay, p equal to 3, and we have done p equal to p into p. So it will become 9, and then we have print p. Okay, it is like this part. Why? Because when we do call by value, it copies the value of the variable. It copies the value of a to this function. Okay, so both are independent of each other. That's why we are getting output as 3, 9, 3, right? But when we do call by reference, so what happened here, in the main function we have int a equal to 3, and then we have a pointer variable. What is the function of a pointer variable? It takes the address of another variable, and then we have print it again. Okay, print the value of a, and then what we have done, we have sent the pointer, we have sent the pointer to a, that is the address to a in this m1. And when we have sent the pointer variable, what happened here, the pointer will take the address, it will not copy the value of a. Okay, the value of a3 will not be copied here. Instead of that, it will take the address of a. So what will be the address of a? Like example, for address of a is ox. Okay, any value. So it will copy it address here, and then when we write star p, it means value at that address. Okay, then the value at p will be what? Value at p, that is 3, into value at p, that is 3. So here also it will become 9, and then printf, we will get 9 here. Okay, so till now how many print statement we have executed? This statement by which we got a value of 3, then this statement by which we got value 9, And again, the program control will come here in this printf function. And after that, when we will print the value of a, it will print 9 instead of 3. Why? Because in this call we haven't copied the value of a. Instead, we have sent the address of it. Okay, so this is a basic difference between copying and sending an address. When we send an address, the value is overwrite at the address. Okay, for example, let me take for the better clarity, like this is a place in the memory in which a variable is assigned to a value. Like, for example, in this program we have assigned 3. So okay, so 3 is assigned in a particular place in the memory, in the main memory. And then what we have done, we have said to the program when we call by reference that this place, okay, this place, this place, what we have done, that this place should we have given the address of this place, and then we have said that this place should override value from here. Okay, we have overwritten the value from here. Now the star p will assign this value as star p into star p. It means what is the value at star p? 3 into 3, and this will override the value here. Okay, override the value here. So the address remains the same, and in that address we have written an other value. So what technically this call by reference does, the same variable is assigned a different value, and we didn't take any other variable. Okay, any other variable. Yes, we have taken a pointer variable, but it is a different variable. It's not a normal variable. So what it helps most of the time when we use this call by reference, we majorly use call by reference for arrays. Okay, let me just have a space here. Okay, so call by reference is majorly used when we take arrays. Now, why we use call by reference for arrays? So just think of, in array we have around, like if I declare an array like int a, okay, for example we have 1 2 3. Okay, let's say we have around 10 elements here. Now think of that, we take a copy variable for it. Okay, for each index position of the array, and then we copied it to the parametric value, and then we perform the operation. So it will take huge amount of memory of the program, because of which uh, the program will become slow. Okay, the program execution will become slow. At the same time, it will also be very inconvenient for the programmer to declare so many variables. So what normally when we write the programs of array, what we do, we pass the address of it. When we write, like for example, the function name is m1, and we write the array name like arr is the array name. So what we do, we call by reference the array. Okay, we call by reference the array to the function in which we want to perform the operation. By it, what benefit we get? Because of it, the program execution becomes easier. At the same time, the main variables which we have used in the program, like here int a, so like int sorry, a1 a2, we have values. These values will be directly changed. Okay, the value at a1 will be directly overwrite by different value. Okay, it will be directly override by different values. We don't have to copy it. So at the same time, it is very convenient. Okay, and memory management is also better in this method. So these are the benefit of doing call by reference. And when we do normal programming, for example, we have to we have to swap the values, or we have to perform normal operations like multiplication, or changing the values of one or two variables. We usually use call by value for it. But when we use arrays or strings, we use call by reference. So I hope that this video help you to clear the difference between the call by value and call by reference. And in the meantime, in the further videos, we will try to explain the application of call by reference in arrays and strings, for which I request you to remain updated on my channel. Thanks for watching.